Some specific health foods for sale. Chapter 1. Buy specific health foods. B products for sale. BEE-POLLEN.com. ccpollen.com, 800-875-0096. mtnaturals.com, 800-872-7218. Bulk food for sale. Most of these places sell grain, rice, and nuts in bulk. Bulkfoods.com. Frida's Exotic Food. 800-421-9477. 800-241-1771. Frida's.com. Jaff Brothers. 28560 Lilac Road, Valley Center, California 92082. 619-749-1133. Organicfruitsandnuts.com. Sultan's Delight Middle Eastern Food. POB 090302, FT. Hamilton STA. Brooklyn, New York 11209. 800-852-5046. sultansdelight.com. williamsonoma.com. 800-451-2283. Vegetable stews, etc. Diet foods for sale. fatfree.com. globaldrugs.com, sells Splenda, sugar substitute. gnc.com, supplements and food. greatfood.com, 800-640-6779, sugar-free foods. lowcarb.com, 888-937-5262, sugar-free foods. sblenda.com, low-calorie sweetener. sugarfreemarket.com, sugar-free foods. synergydiet.com/sblendaproducts.asp, sweeteners. diet-shoppe.com. 800-325-5409. sugarlessshop.com. 800-898-7571. Sugar-free foods. Fruits, vegetables, and nuts for sale. avocado.org. farmerspick.com. heartlandgrapes.com. mission-orchards.com. nixnuts.com. nuts4u.com. produceoasis.com. vrg.org. wildblueberries.com. A&B Milling Co. Box 327. Enfield, North Carolina 27823. 800-843-0105. ontrubiespeanuts.com. Nuts. Almond Plaza. POB 75/Hickory Farm. Monty, Ohio 43537. 800-225-6887. almond-plaza.com. applesource.com. 800-588-3854. bhgcitrus.com. 800-255-5188. Fruits. blandfarms.com. 800-843-2542. Buchanan Hollow Nut Co. 6510 Minturn. La Grande, California 95333. 800-532-1500. bhnc.com. Pistachios. california-cuisine.com. 800-753-8558. city-farm.com. 800-437-6825. flafruit.com. 800-672-6431. floridafruit.com. 800-940-3344. Franz Pecans. 110 North Hicks St. Harlem, Georgia 30814. 800-826-6370. 800-476-6887. franzpecans.com. goldenkernel.com. 800-845-2448. Pecans. HarryandDavid.com. Medford, or 800-547-3033. 800-345-5655. Fruits. Houseofalmonds.com. 800-225-6663. Hubspeanuts.com. 800-889-7688. Crema Nutcio. 800-222-4132. Crema.com. Melissus.com. 800-588-0151. Herbs, vegetables. Mrspear.com. 800-677-7327. Vegetables. Oasis Date Gardens. POB 757. Thermal, California 92274. 800-827-8017. Oasisdate.com. Dried fruit. Onionsusa.com. 800-496-3363. Peanut Patch. 111 North Main St. Cortland, Virginia 23837. 800-544-0896. Peanutpatch.com. pgroves.com. 800-327-8624. Fruits. Priester's Pecans. 227 Old Fort Drive. Ft. Deposit, Alabama 36032. 800-277-3226. Priester.com. Thames Pecan Co. POG 2206. Mobile, Alabama 36652. 800-633-1306. 3georges.com. Pecans, baked goods. Thefruitcompany.com. 877-387-3100. Virginia Diner. 800-642-6887. Viadinier.com. Peanuts. Whitley Peanut Co. Highway 17, Box 647. Gloucester County. Hayes, Virginia 23072. 800-470-2244. Whitley'sPeanut.com. Herbs and spices for sale. 1. Herbs and spices not only make food taste good but are probably the healthiest ingredients of all the food you eat. Cayenne pepper and turmeric, curry spice, are touted as super health substances. 4spices.com. Americansps.com, 888-502-8058. Culinarycafe.com, recipes. Epicenter.com. Herbsdepot.com. Hawthouthought.com. McCormick.com. MidwestPepper.com. OrientalPantry.com. PennZys.com. PepperIsland.com. Rowenas.com. SpicesEtc.com. ThespiceHouse.com. Herbs and spices for sale. 2. 4garlic.com. 800-4 garlic. Atlantic Spice. POG 205. N. Truro, Massachusetts 02652. 800-316-7965. AtlanticSPS.com. BigBruce.com. 800 Peppers. CajunsPS.com. 800-551-9066. ChefPaul.com. 800-457-2857. Earthy.com. 800-367-4709. Fredericksburgbeefarm.com. 800-259-4372. Frontier Herbs. 800-717 Herbs. 800-786-1388. Frontierherb.com. GetSauced.com. 800-948-0274. Melissa.com. 800-588-0151. mustardweb.com. 800-438-6878. peppers.com. 800-998-3473. pickeledgarlike.com. 800-775-9788. San Francisco Herb Co. 250 14th St. San Francisco, California 94103. 800-227-4530. sfherb.com. Santa Barbara Olive. 800-Force Boliv. sbolive.com. sotovoce.com. 800-487-0730. Spices, etc. Charlottesville, Virginia 22906. 800-827-6373. spicesetcetera.com. sweetenion.com. 800-447-9338. tonypackko.com. 800-336-4218. vitaminshoppy.com. Bergen, New Jersey. 800-223-1216. Honey for sale. billybee.com. drmanukashop.com/honey. ebhoney.com/raw-honey.html. honeybearhealth.com. manukahoneyusa.com, honey for sale, free newsletter. planetbee.com, Vernon, British Columbia honey farm. victoriahealth.com. vitamins-supplements.org/nutrients/honey.php. whfoods.com. Maple syrup for sale. Maple syrup is a natural sweetener like honey. It is maple sap concentrated about 100 times. OntarioMaple.com, Ontario Maple Syrup Producers Association. wismaple.org, Wisconsin Maple Syrup Producers. BrookfieldMapleProducts.com. DeliciousOrganic.com/products/maple.htm. EpplersMapleSyrup.com. EvansMapleFarm.com. FullersSugarHouse.com Lancaster, NH. GourmetOfOldCity.com. HHHVermontMapleSyrup.com, Vermont. HudsonHouseTrading.com. LocksMaple.com. MansionHouseMaple.com. MSJVermont.org. OhioZRUP.com, Maple Syrup, Ashland, O. ORGANICANDNATURALFOODSOLUTIONS4U.com. RoseFamilyMaple.com W. Wright Farms MapleSyrup.com. RothSugarBush.com. SmokeCrup.com. TropicalTraditions.com/organic_maple_syrup.htm. Water, bottled for sale. BottledWater.com. Dasani.com. Evian.com. FIJIWaiter.com. GlacierWater.com, bottled water. MerlinWater.com, 800-982-2890. Minery.com. Minery.com/Perrier. Minery.com/Vital. MountainValleySpring.com, 800-643-1501, spring water. PolandSpring.com. SanPellegrino.com. SaratogaBeverage.com, spring water.